Hello everyone, I am Gustavo from Shining 3D. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can scan this metal part using our new high-precision 3D inspection system, the OptimScan Q12. Let's walk through the whole process together. To begin, place the object in the center of the turntable and adjust the scanner to a good angle for the first scan. With the automatic turntable, we can capture everything from this angle with just one click. After the first scan, we will enable the Monocular-Stereo Fusion function to focus on the scanned hole. Just tweak the scanner angle a bit to better see inside of this hole. Click on Scan to capture the data. By comparing this scan with the initial one, you will notice that the data captured inside of the hole is much more detailed. Now, let's flip to the other side of the part. Here, we can find some raised tests, so we are going to switch to the small range to catch those tiny details. All we need to do is start a new project. Choose the small range and confirm. You don't need to change the lenses manually. The next scanning steps are the same. After scanning, use the alignment function for data fusion. Just select both projects, choose marker alignment, and the software will take care of the rest. When we have got enough data, the software will generate a point cloud, and then we can use for the mesh function to convert it into a STL file. You can adjust the settings if you need it, but if you are not sure, the recommended settings will work perfectly. After meshing, you can also do some post-processing, and then you can export the final file. So that's the full workflow for OptimScan Q12. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out at our email support. Thanks for watching.